Hey! In the previous lesson, we exported the card in PSD format, and here's the final result. In this lesson, we are going to work with Photoshop to add the final touches. Have a look at the layer panel. The elements are separated, see? So the first thing I'm going to do is organize all these. Recognize each element, arrange the layers, delete empty elements. Okay. I'm going to flatten this layer containing the branches with Ctrl E. The background layer doesn't cover the whole canvas, so I'm going to make it bigger. Let's put these layers outside the folder and delete them. See? Now the layer panel is quite clean and it's easier to work with it. My goal here is adding some filters to the layers. To do so, right-click and select Convert to Smart Object, both the background layer and the lettering layer. I want to apply the camera raw filter, but it doesn't appear and it doesn't let me select it in the filter panel. It's because I'm working in the CMYK mode, which is the one I had in Illustrator. However, when it comes to Photoshop, it's better to work in RGB mode. So I'm going to select this mode in the image menu. Yet, if you want to work in CMYK mode, it's fine. You can do it in Photoshop. Just choose the format before exporting. So before exporting, save the format, and that's all. Let's see, it's activated now. So what I'm going to do here is apply some noise to the background. Play around with the parameters until you like the result. I think I'll also apply a subtle vignette. Set amount to -17. Select now the lettering layer and apply vignette using the same value for the amount parameter. I'll also apply a distort effect. Go to Filter menu, select Distort and click on Ripple. This way the strokes will look more natural. Set the amount to a low value, like 37. I think I need to modify again the effect. Don't worry, as it's a smart object, we can modify it as many times as we want. So, double-click on the filter name and change it. Reduce it a little bit. That's it. So, our card is ready for being printed. In my case, I'm going to send it to my friends, so I'm going to send printed cards. However, you can use it as a digital card if you prefer. In the next lesson, we are going to insert it in a mockup. Are you ready?